Roof insurance claim in Baltimore, Maryland. Filing a roof insurance claim can be an involved process, and it is important to understand the do's and don'ts when undertaking such a task. Homeowners in Baltimore are aware that time is of the essence when filing roof insurance claims. A roofing issue can quickly snowball into a major expense if not addressed in a timely manner. For starters, it's important to call your insurer as soon as possible after discovering damage on your roof so they can send out an inspector right away. To maximize your roof insurance claim, report roof damage promptly, provide evidence, and work with an experienced roofing contractor familiar with local regulations. Extreme weather conditions like hail and heavy winds in Baltimore can damage roofs and related systems, so it's crucial to file a roof insurance claim promptly to avoid further damage. Proper documentation of damage and repair costs is crucial when filing a roof insurance claim, as it can make the difference between receiving full coverage or being denied by the insurer. To get your roof insurance claim approved, ensure accurate documentation, provide detailed information, and have reputable roofing contractors perform the repairs. The age of a roof impacts insurance claims, as older roofs are more vulnerable to damage and pre-existing conditions that may not be covered by the policy, so it's important to have a recent inspection by an experienced roofer specialist before filing a claim. Contacting experienced roofing professionals can make filing a roof insurance claim smoother, involving inspecting damage with adjusters and scheduling roof repairs or roof replacement, leading to a stress-free experience for homeowners. Filing a roof insurance claim can be complex, but taking proper steps beforehand can lead to successful and efficient results. Trust McHenry Roofing for expert, reliable service. Contact us at https://mchenryroofing.business.site or give us a call at 410-774-6609 for a free estimate.